One of the things that I think is really tremendous about the company is the breadth of opportunity that's there. And anyone who starts at Lilly is going to have an amazing and fascinating experience that's going to challenge them technically. It's going to challenge them in terms of having to collaborate with multiple disciplines and work cross-functionally with laboratory technicians and operations folks.
It requires me to think about technical manufacturing challenges as well as business challenges and try to put those things together to kind of come up with an optimal solution. How can we bring these new products to patients who need them faster?
Every organization or large business has those types of complex supply chain needs, but at the end of the day, our mission is probably just a bit different. Not all of them can say that we are working to make lives better for patients, to make life-saving, life-altering medications that will allow them to live a better and more fruitful life.
Being able to be a part of making life better for people all over the world was really something that was in line with what my passion, my drive is.
I've seen our manufacturing grow continuously, almost year on year. But one thing that I've seen that's consistent is our care for people.
Integrity, excellence, and respect for people have been core to what Lilly has done the entire 18 years that I've been here, and not only do they say it, but they do it.
If you enjoy setting high expectations and meeting those, working with people who are very intelligent, capable individuals with a lot of heart, Lilly is a great place to be.
What made me interested in Lilly initially and keeps me coming back, it's very personal to me. My family actually uses the medicine. For me, it's very fulfilling being able to come into work and actually support the process that makes the medicine. So if you're considering a career at Lilly, just keep that in mind. You are really helping people around the world that need it.